The bolt.
Hello?
It's in the back. Can you feel it? Oof. Look at the triceps. There's like nothing there.
Look at these noodles. Got a whole beach under your car.
Yeah, dude, that's freaking crazy. Look at all that sand. Whoever had this car before me was doing some sand races.
Delicious.
Bro.
Always wanted to taste of the beach.
Is that the bike?
Yeah, I had to fix it.
Did it work? No.
That shouldn't be money.
You think that's money?
That's money.
Oof. So now we just gotta get the bolt to line up again, right?
Yeah, make sure it's like settled whenever you're pushing the glue.
So, you think we should cut these lowering springs from more low?
I did that on the Del Sol, it was awful.
I think Matt already got the settle one. Get it under there, boy.
Line up.
I think so. Yeah, we're good.
That seems a lot easier than doing axle stuff on a truck.
The front's the one that's gonna be a bitch. This is just the easy side.
Oh, we're gonna have to line that up.
Alright, give me a hammer.
Just lift up and it might slide into it.
There you go.
Oh?
Give it a nudge from the top. Bring it up. Keep it. No, hit the top.
You just got there?
Yeah, a bit more.
You just give the bolt a couple of taps, it'll probably straighten it when it goes through.
Maybe this needs to go up just a little bit.
The knuckle needs to go back just a bit. So if you got
You might be able
something
to
to
pry it against
yeah.
it.
Quality. Like, I'm just... There's fucking sand in here. Ah. Mints. Doesn't really help messing, does it?
Yeah, it's lined up.
Okay.
Like a glove.
Why didn't we do
All it took
that
was
last
a kick of the
time?
jack.
Any further?
Keep going.
Keep going up.
Keep going.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Good.
And stop.
Further.
Oh. Get it. Move it. Move it.
There's a hammer.
Yeah. Keel, should I just keep the backdrop and front stock height?
Tilt. Okay, Tennessee tilt.
You're
hear all that sand drop when I did
Yeah.
that?
That'd be right.
Probably not.
You're probably like flashing my family right now.
You see, we're all gonna be on our deathbeds, and our final words are gonna be "fuck Cotter."
All right, boys. So after a lot of heartbreak, hours, we didn't even record the front. The front ended up being a real big pain in the ass, but the car is finally lowered. Matt, high five. Matt, Joel.
Broken hand.
Oh shit. Yeah, look, give me your other hand. But yeah, man, this is fucking sick. The springs haven't even settled, but
The thing is now, you gotta go lower.
yeah, now we gotta cut the aftermarket.
Cut lower.
Now we gotta cut the aftermarket springs. Here, bring the light back here so I can get a better view.
Come on, tools, come with me. Out for a walk.
Are you bringing all the tools? Dude, this is gonna look sick. Get my alignment done. I think, dude, do you think I'm even gonna need a spacer in the rear?
Nah. Once it'll go down
You're
lower.
definitely gonna have to roll your fender.
Yeah, you're gonna have to roll it a little bit because it'll settle down.
Nah,
Just leave it as is.
be right.